Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the chapter direct and inverse proportion, chapter 13 and exercise 13.2. Here, before going to the second question, we solved the first question in the previous problem. We'll just see what is a direct proportion and inverse proportion. I'll give two examples. Example for direct proportion. So for direct proportion, see, if we, I'll give an example. If we buy 2 pence, it costs 50 rupees. 4 pence means 100 rupees. So this is the direct proportion. So if you buy 2 pence, it costs 50 rupees. 4 pence means 100 rupees. As this increases, this also increases. As x increases, y increases in both the cases. So this is direct proportion. And one more example. More apples we buy, more money we have to give. We have to pay more money. So these are the two examples of direct proportion. So inverse proportion means inverse proportion. The speed of the vehicle. So speed of the vehicle increases. Speed of the vehicle increases. So increases, what happens? Time taken to the cover the distance goes down. So these are the two examples of direct proportion. I have given two examples. This will be very simple to understand. Then inverse proportion, the speed of the vehicle increases means the distance obviously will go down or decreases. So we move on to the question now. What is the question? In a television game show, the prize money is rupees 1 lakh is to be divided equally among the winners. Complete the following table to find whether the prize money given to an individual winner is directly or inversely proportional to the number of winners. So they have given the table for us, number of winners, and winner is first, if it is given to only one person, it is 1 lakh. Then it is given to 2 person, means it will be divided to 2, 50,000. Similarly for 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, we have to calculate. So what is the solution? We'll see. First, the solution is, first we'll take 1, that is the 1 winner into the amount 1 lakh is equal to, we'll take 4 into a variable we'll take as A. So A I'll take, therefore A is equal to how much? 1 into 1 lakh divided by 4, which is equal to 25,000. So this is the first problem, that is 1 is equal to 25,000. X is 4 into X. So what they have given, equally among the winner. Complete the following table, the prize money. So we have taken this one. So number of winners is 4, and what is the amount they each will get. So for this, what is the solution? Means 1 into, we have to take the amount, that is 1 lakh is the prize money, into 4 into, that is A. So how much each will get, we'll find out. So 1 into 1 lakh divided by 4 will be 25,000. So in the table we have to fill, that is 25,000. So as the number of winner increases, the amount decreases. So this is an inverse proportion. So next we finished, we'll move on to the table, where in the table it is 5, number of winners is 5. Therefore what we take, that is next 1 into 1 lakh is equal to 5 into, we'll take B. So 5 into B I will take for this. So what is B? Therefore B is equal to 1 lakh divided by 5, which is equal to 20,000. So much if it is divided by 5 winners, the 1 lakh each will get 20,000. So fill up the table as 20,000. So next we move on to the next value in the table, that is 8. So 8 is given, so therefore take a second. So we'll take for this again direct and inverse proportions. So chapter 13.2. So next is, we'll write down the table here once again, just a rough sketch I'll write. See, this is number of winners, and this is prize for each winner in rupees, winner in rupees. Therefore what is the table? So write down, this is, that is 1 means 1 lakh, 2 is 50,000, 4 is 25,000, 5 we finished calculating for 4 winners and 5 winners. Then 8, 10 and 20 is left out. So next what is the value we have to take? That is 1 into AB, we finished 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to 8, we have 8 into how much? AB, C will take, A into C. Therefore C is equal to 1 lakh divided by 8, which is equal to 12,500. So each winner will get how much? 12,500. So substitute here 12,500. So next we finished C. Then we move on to D. D means this one, 10. So 1 into 10 into 1 into this is 1 lakh is equal to how much? 10 into ABCD. Therefore D is equal to 1 into 1 lakh divided by 8 is equal to how much? 8 means 8 we finished. This is 10 we have to take. 10, then it is 10,000. So write down here 10,000, fill in the table. After this, last value is in the table is, that is 20. So 20 is there. Therefore D is equal to E, we will take it as E is equal to 1 into 1 lakh is equal to how much? 20 into E. Therefore E is equal to 1 lakh divided by 20. Therefore 2 ones, then 2, 5,000 is equal to how much? 5,000. So each winner will get, if the number of winners are 20, each winner will get 5,000 each. So this is the solution. After this, So the prize money finally we have to write the prize money given to an individual to each winner. Will write to each winner is inversely proportional to the number of winners. This is the solution. So why whenever the winner increases, the amount decreases, the prize money decreases. So we have to write the final this statement as the prize money given to each winner is inversely proportional to the number of winners. So this one completes the second question. So we move on to the third problem. Third problem is Rahman is making a wheel using spokes. He wants to fix equal spokes in such a way that angle between any pair of consecutive spokes are equal. Help him to complete the following table. So this is the wheel. They are given the table here. Number of spokes 4 means 90. Angle between the pair of consecutive spokes is 90 degree. If number of spokes is 6, angle is 60 degree. So this is the table given. We have to complete the other two. What is the consecutive that angle between the pair of consecutive spokes is given. So or the number of spokes and the angle formed between, this is the first sub question. Number of spokes and the angle formed between the pair of consecutive spokes is inversely proportional. So we have to write the answer as yes. See, yes means, as we solved in the second question, as the number increases, this angle goes on decreasing. So answer is yes. Write down the number of spokes and the angles, number of spokes and the angle formed between the pairs of consecutive spokes or in inverse proportion. So this is the answer for this first part of the question. So we'll move on to the second part of the question. What they have given, second part means calculate the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes on a wheel with 15 spikes. So 15 spikes we have to calculate. So what was the table? So table, just refer, I'll just continue. So now for this problem, for 15 spikes, we have to find out the angle between the pair of consecutive spokes. So let the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes on a wheel with 15 spokes be what? We'll take it as what? Y degrees. So y degrees. So what is the next step? Lesser the number of spokes lesser the number of spokes, more will be the angle. More will be the angle between a pair of consecutive spikes. So as the spikes increases, the angle between the pair of consecutive spokes increases. So in this case we have to take what is that is 4 into, take the first value, initial value in the table, 4 into 90. I'll show this one, refer to the table. This one 4 into 90 we have to take. After this 4 into 90 is equal to 15, number of spokes is 15 into what is the degree we have taken, y. So y, therefore calculate, therefore y is equal to 4 into 90 by 15. Therefore x is equal to, we have y is equal to how much, calculate, this is 24 degrees. So hence we will write the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes on a wheel with 15 spokes is 24 degrees. So second main question we solved, that is the 24 degree we got. Now the third part, or continuing this. So next is third question, we will move on to the third one. Third question given is, we completed the first and second main sub-problem we completed. How many spokes would be needed if the angle between the pair of consecutive spokes is 40 degrees? Here degree is given, we have to find out the number of spokes. So we'll take this one as the, let y spokes be needed, we will take. Next the number of spokes, more will be the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes. So the lesser number of the spokes, then the more will be the angle. So next is, in this case, so this is also inverse proportion. First initial value 4 into 90 degrees is equal to y into how much, we have to take 40 degrees. Therefore y is equal to 4 into 90 by 40 degrees. So cancel, then we get y as 9. So finally we can write, hence 9 spokes would be needed, that's all. So we took a variable, then we calculated, then as x, and took the degree as 40 degree, they are given in the question. Substitute here 4 into 90, we took the initial value in the table, then 4 into 40 degree, then y we calculated, y is 9. So 9 spokes are needed for if the angle is 40 degrees. So this completes the third question, third part of the question. So we move to the fourth problem. Fourth problem is, if a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, they will get 5 sweets each. How many would each sweet get if the number of children is reduced by 4? So see, 24 children are there. Children, a sweet box is there. Each will get how much? Each will get 5 sweets. Will get 5 sweets. Next, so how many each? If the children is reduced by 4, means it will become 20. Each will get how many sweets? That's all we have to calculate. So see the box here. So we'll write the boxes. Number of children. Here number of children. Number of sweets. Sweets. Therefore 24 children, 5 sweets each will get. Then here reduce the number of students, children into 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. Then here the value is y. We don't know how many sweets we will get. Here lesser the number of children, so lesser the number of children, then what? They will get more sweets. Number of children, the children will get get is equal to how much? Therefore the initial value is 24 into 5 is equal to how much? 20 students into y. Therefore y is equal to 24 into 5 divided by 20. Then 4 ones are 4. Then 4 6. Therefore y is equal to, each will get 6 sweets. So hence, so here what is the condition? This is the case of inverse proportion. See here, continuing the table. So 24 means 5 sweets, then 20 means 6 sweets. So as these decreases, this increases. So this is the case of, this is the complete table. 24 children, 5 sweets. This when reduced, they are getting 6 sweets. Therefore this is the case of inverse proportion. So proportion. So finally we have to write, hence each would get 6 sweets. So each would get 6 sweets. So this completes the 4th question. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.